EMR is one of the UK's largest scrap metal recycling companies. It employs about 1,700 employees in the UK and about 4,000 worldwide. Turns over £4 billion. We have grown significantly over the last few years and have been happy to move to D365 using the full functionality, production, stocks, sales, purchasing and the financials. D365 means we're not relying on spreadsheets, we're not relying on different data to be exported and then re-imported into different systems. Currently, it does take time for them to look up the information, to see where the stock is, what stock they need, where parts are. So by having it all on one system, it will speed up that and make them more efficient. Just the general ease with technology, the linking with mobile apps, the linking with tablets, the authorization on phones will mean that the work can be done in a smarter, easier way. One of the other aspects of the system is the planning of preventative maintenance. Using the mobile apps is going to change the way people work, change the way people think, and it leads to a faster response, a better production system, more uptime, and then lead to better business productivity. By increasing the functionality that the company has at its disposal will improve speed, time and efficiency. Every month there has to be a consolidation to the bank, which is currently taking up sort of 4 or 5 days. Now it will be instant. Columbus came with a methodology about how to understand our business, because the EMR current way may not be the best way. But using a partner that has got so many implementations gone through, we can draw on their knowledge and their experience on the software and on just general business experience. Once everybody is on the system, we then need to optimize it and improve business processes using Columbus as the partner and improve the business overall. By the end of it, everybody will be able to work smarter and not harder. Working alongside the Columbus consultants has been very good. They are very flexible and very knowledgeable in their areas, and they've felt at times like they've been colleagues rather than a third-party consultant. It hasn't been an us and them experience. We've all been on one team.